So actually, this was a kind of a small topic which I should have added in the previous video. But anyways, so it's simply very similar to your what to say first module, where you have this packet routing, right? So here is just like same frame routing with connection without connection. In connection oriented, logical connection is there. Sender sends and receiver receives, and it follows a predefined path, right? And the receiver acknowledges all the frames. If any frame is missing or lost, it will just send the signal to resend them, which is not orders them. In case of connectionless protocol, there is no logical connection. It is all independent. They will go by themselves. But they'll have their own source and destination address, and it will reach towards the at the end. So each frame is transmitted without regard to previous or future frames. That's it. So even here they have said the same thing. A little more points. You can simply explain this. Right? You can see example here. Conclusion: data link control is essential for ensuring reliable communication and at the data link layer. Flow control ensures the receiver, while error control guarantees the accuracy and integrity of the transmitted data. These services work together to facilitate the reliable communication between the adjacent nodes. So these are key points for flow control, error control, and at the end for connection oriented and connectionless protocols. Flow error. So next we have to move about. Okay, so again, so same thing here. I have explained here connection and connectionless, same thing. Much more is not. You can see right here. Example protocols, advantages, disadvantages, overhead, complexity. So then see, no connection setup, no need of connection is required. See, this connection less is connection oriented. Framing number, no framing number, but it has frame numbers maintained. Acknowledgements, no acknowledgement, and acknowledgements are sent for each frames. Flow control, no built-in flow control, but it has flow control mechanism. Error control, it is minimal or no control. Here, error detection and error correction mechanisms are used. Error control in the sense what things are used for error control. Here, they are saying error itself is minimal and error control. Here, error control is there. Example: Ethernet and Internet protocol. Here, TCP X.25 and frame relay.